Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today I'm going to show you a few pieces that I picked up for fall from Walmart. So thank you Walmart so much for sponsoring this video. So we're going to just jump right in. Y'all know fall is my favorite time of the year, okay? I am a fall baby. Fall time calls for the cozy robes, the cozy slippers. So let me show you the two slippers that I found. Everything that I showed today will be linked in the description box below. These are online purchases only. So if you guys are interested in any items that I show, everything will be linked in the description box below. Let me show you these slippers. They are the cutest. Look at these. These are Jessica Simpson. Look at these. How cute. Like, look at this. Wait a minute. Look at the two little balls. Little fuzzy balls. And it also has a bow right there at the top. How cute are these? They kind of have that platform feel to them. A thick sole, but they're very soft in the inside, but they have like the hard bottom. Very comfortable. I thought these were just super cute. Like, look at these. How cute. I got an extra large. I love the way they fit. They fit perfect. These are just adorable. Look at the bow. Can y'all see the little bow? So cute. And then when you walk, this little thing. Can y'all imagine these in some cozy pajamas or a cute little robe and you have these on? Like, how cute. Next up is another pair from Jessica Simpson, and they're the same color, but they look a little different. So look at these. And see, it's been in the pack, so the bow is not flat. I have to let that flatten out. But look. How cute and cozy. Now this is a more plush pair. They're very soft. Take the wrapping out. Very soft. And this is a little different than the other pair. Like this one kind of looked like a boucle almost. And then this one is a little softer. Really cute. I love the bow. Like, I fell in love, and I couldn't just choose one because both of them were so cute, so I just got both. I love it. Same thing. It's like a platform. Can y'all see that? It's not like your super thin bedroom shoe. It's like a platform. I love these. I think that they're the cutest. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how they look on my foot. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna get into some of the outfits. This is the first one. It is a jumpsuit, jean jumpsuit. I think it's so cute. Now, this one is a little big because y'all know I like my stuff to be a little oversized, so I will have to take this to get some of the material taken out of this area here. But if I pull it down some, you can't really tell if I have on heels. Now you can get a little creative with how you want to wear the top. I like it like this. I think it just looks a little more edgy, really cute. I like the way that it looks, really cute. But like I said, you can wear this however you want. It has buttons and a zipper. Let me just get a little closer so you guys can see. So if you wanted to just zip it down as far as you want it to kind of have a look like this, you can do that, or you can do your buttons like this, and it'll kind of leave the collar up a little for you, which I like like I said, it just looks more sportier, edgier, and I like that. Really cute, really comfortable. Y'all know I'm a sunglass girl, so I would probably wear something like these. And I love the look. So cute. And this is how long it is on me. I am 5'5", and I am wearing an extra large. Again, because I wanted it to fit a little baggy, so I would have to go, you know, get this tailored a little bit, but love this outfit. This is how it looks in the back. Really cute, perfect for the fall. We love this. Okay, y'all. Next up, these pants right here. I love them. They are high-waisted. You can pair them with whatever you want. They do have pockets. They're cotton material. They fit so good. I am wearing a size large. Super cute. This is how they look in the back. And I just paired it with this cropped cardigan. But you can wear it with whatever you want to. I love, love, love the color. Let me get closer. Okay, I think you guys can see the color a little bit better. But just look how they fall. Like, perfect. Again, I am 5'5". I love the way that these look. High waist, pockets. It's really cute. And again, you can wear these with whatever. You can wear them to work. You can dress these up or down. I know the girls like the sambas. You can wear your tennis shoes with it, whatever. But I absolutely love these. I think they look so good. I wanted to also get these in black, but they were sold out. And these items you can only find online, so I'll have everything linked in the description box below. But these are perfect for the fall. You can wear these with turtleneck, chunky sweater, crop cardigan, whatever. But how cute are these? These are very flattering. I love these. Love, love, love. Okay, next up is this pullover sweater. I just pulled it out of the pack, so it's a little folded in the front. I love when it has this type of neckline. It's just so sporty to me. And you can zip these all the way up, and I love the way that this looks. So cute. It does have pockets. I probably should go up a size in this one just to give it the look that I want. But again, I just love this type of, like, look at this. Look how sporty. And if it's not too hot, you could just pop on some shorts, some biker shorts, or some of the little jogger shorts, and it's a vibe. Let me put my sunglasses on so you guys can see like how it would look. Like, how sporty is this? Just simple, cute. We love this. Let me show you the material. It's just so cute. I love this neckline. I love it. And then the pockets in the front. So cute. I knew I should have got this one in a different color too, because it's hard to find the ones that's like this. So look how sporty this looks. Like, the girls that get it, get it. Super cute. I love it. I gotta order some more colors. I'll probably order a white or a cream, and then the gray. And if I can find a brown, then I'll order a brown, because I love this. Like, this is definitely my vibe. Now it has this little piece right here. I'm trying to figure this out, but super cute. So when it's really cold and you want to just kind of cuddle up, you know, I love this. I need to clean my glasses. Very cutesy. Right? How cute. This is the back. Love this. the next one that I order, I'm gonna order it a little oversized because I want it to be a little, you know, a little bigger, especially because my bottoms, 9 times out of 10, I wear something that's fitted at the bottom. So I want this to be really oversized, and I love when it hangs over the hands like this. And this also has thumb holes. Like, what? The thumb holes gets me every time. So cute. Now, one of the reasons why I like the tops that's like this, because you can switch up the vibe. Like I said, I like it to be up like this. I just like the way that that looks. But look how far it comes down. So if you wanted to do this, and this still looks super cute. Like, see that? Gosh, I should have got some more colors. I love this. This is probably like my favorite thing because it's just so simple and comfy, and I still look very chic. Next up is this seamless mock neck bodysuit. I actually have this one in 2 colors. I got it in black. Love the arms on it. Super soft material. Look at this brown on my skin complexion. Like, but I love the neckline. I love the way that that looks. It's so cute. Simple top. I don't have it snapped, but again, it is a bodysuit. So cute and comfortable. And I got this in a size large. And I do have the black, of course. So let me show y'all that one. Here's the black one. How cute. And you can dress this top up or down. You can wear it with some joggers, some tennis shoes. You can wear it with some trousers for work. You can wear it with some leggings with a high boot. You know, just imagine if these were leggings that I had on with a high boot. Let me put on the sunglasses, because y'all know that's always my vibe. It just completes a look. But look at this. Hello. So cute. I love this top too because it's not too tight. It's kind of loose. So I love that, and I love that the sleeves are like extra long. Just so cute. I know y'all are like, try it on with some pants. We ain't gonna do that right now, okay? But you get the vibe. And I think these tops come in a few different colors if I'm not mistaken. I like these, and they're so like, it's buttery soft. Like buttery soft. Look at this. Look at the material. Buttery soft. So cute. And this one is also a bodysuit. It's just not snapped. But super cute. We love this. I saved the best for last. Are y'all ready for this? Y'all already see the color, so y'all know I'm excited. How stinking gorgeous. Like, look at this color. Are you kidding? So pretty. And then if you want to show a little thigh, you can show a little thigh. So cute. I love this slip dress. It's so pretty. It fits perfect. I got this in an extra large because I didn't want it to fit too tight. I like a nice little flowy look. This color is perfect for the fall. If you want to throw a sweater, a chunky sweater, or a cardigan, a blazer, all of those things would work. But I love this dress. It's so pretty. I still have time to just wear it like this. I live in Florida, so we have a little minute before it gets cold, so I can wear this just like this in the fall. I can do a cute little combat boot. I can do some heels. I can do some flats, whatever. There's so many ways that you can style a slip dress. So when I saw this color, I melted because it is so pretty. Like, I want y'all to see the true color. I'm gonna turn this light off, turn it down. Look at this. This color, it's so pretty. This would be like perfect for Christmas. It's just so pretty. I love this. And this is where it falls on me. Really, really pretty. Back. It's just perfect. I love it. I'll have all the links to everything you see here in the description box below.